and my friends. In this class we are going to learn noun plus noun combination. Nouns in combination. That means in this structure the first noun modifies or describes a little like an adjective. इस कॉम्पोजिशन में जो प्रथम नाउन होता है नाउन प्लस नाउन कॉम्बिनेशन में एडजेक्टिव की तरह काम करता है. With the help of examples and word structure we are going to learn what is noun plus noun combination. A horse race. Here horse is noun, race is noun. It means a kind of race. A race horse. It means a kind of horse. A horse race, it means the main word of this structure is race and horse is used here in the form of adjective. The second word of race horse, horse is a noun and race has been used in the form of adjectives. That means horse is the main word of this structure. With the help of example, we are going to learn what are the actual and accurate use of these two words. Mancho loves a horse race. So he wants to buy a race horse. In this sentence, we have used this both combination, a horse race, a race horse. Look at the example. Monto loves a horse race. So he wants to buy a race horse. मोंटो को जो है वो दौड़ पसंद है. किस चीज का दौड़? घोड़ों की दौड़. इसलिए वो दौड़ने वाला घोड़ा खरीदना चाहता है. If we interchange this noun plus noun structure, if we replace this two structure, then this sentence will be incorrect. With the help of example, Monto loves. If we say Monto loves a race horse, so he wants to buy a horse race. Then the meaning of this sentence will be मोंटो जो है उसको दौड़ने वाला घोड़ा पसंद है इसलिए वह घोड़े की दौड़ खरीदना चाहता है. Which will be incomplete sentence. If you want to make it complete sentence, meaningful sentence, then this a horse race will be because he loves a horse race. वो दौड़ को पसंद करता है इसलिए दौड़ में दौड़ने वाला घोड़ा को खरीदना चाहता है वो. Okay, so with the help of example we have learned that what are the uses and differences of these two words. Now we have second composition, noun plus noun combination. That means now the meaning of combination means to combine something together. Two people, two things, when they are mixed together it is called combination. Okay, and the verb is combine. For example, better opportunities combined with better knowledge gives better result. I repeat, better opportunities combined with better knowledge gives better result. अगर आपके पास नॉलेज भी बढ़िया है, मौका भी बढ़िया है, तो डेफिनेटली इसका परिणाम भी बढ़िया ही होगा. Now we have a garden flower, a flower garden. Garden is also a noun, flower is also a noun. It is based on noun plus noun structure, noun plus noun combination. So here a kind of flower. I have already mentioned that in this combination the second word is the main word of the combination. So a garden flower actually it is a kind of flower which has been taken here, which is taken from the garden. Next structure which is also based on noun plus noun combination. A flower garden, that means a kind of garden in which various types of flowers are produced. It means a flower garden. It is the main word. Garden is the main word of this combination. So garden is a kind of garden in which various types of flowers are produced. So with the help of examples, we are going to see the uses of these two words. Sumit likes garden flowers, so he has a flower garden. Sumit जो है वो garden flower यानी कि फूलों को पसंद करता है, garden flower को, इसलिए उसके पास एक flower garden है. यानी कि वो जो फ्लावर जो गार्डन में होता है उसको पसंद करता है, इसीलिए उसके पास एक फूलों का बगीचा है. अंडरस्टैंड? सुमित लाइक्स गार्डन फ्लावर्स यानी कि द फ्लावर्स विच इज टेकन आउट फ्रॉम द गार्डन फ्लावर, सो ही हैज अ फ्लावर गार्डन. इसलिए उसके पास एक फूलों का बगीचा है क्योंकि वो बगीचे वाले फूल को क्या करता है, पसंद करता है. दैट्स ऑल. Now we have third combination which is based on noun plus noun structure and combinations. So here we are going to discuss about milk chocolate and chocolate milk. I have already mentioned that in noun plus noun combination the second word is the prime word of the combination. So here milk chocolate means a kind of chocolate, एक प्रकार का chocolate जिसमें मिल्क का फ्लेवर अवेलेबल हो सकता है. एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी हैव चॉकलेट मिल्क मींस अ काइंड ऑफ मिल्क विच इज फुल ऑफ चॉकलेटी फ्लेवर, एक प्रकार का मिल्क जिसमें चॉकलेट का फ्लेवर, यानी कि ये दूध है जिसमें चॉकलेट का गुण पाया जाता है और ये चॉकलेट है जिसमें दूध का गुण पाया जाता है, मिल्क का क्वालिटी पाया जाता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी द यूजेस ऑफ दिस टू वर्ड्स आल्सो. Swarit eats an awful lot of chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Milk को here this sentence is right or wrong? Try to understand carefully. Swarit eats an awful lot of chocolate milk. I have already mentioned that now in the noun plus noun combination, the second was what is the prime word of the combination. So here milk cannot be ever eaten. Milk को कभी खाया नहीं जा सकता है. That's why here on the place of it should be drinks, D-R-I-N-K-S. Then this sentence will be correct. Swarit drinks an awful lot of chocolate milk. वह बहुत मिल्क पीता है. मिल्क कौन सा मिल्क जिसमें चॉकलेट का क्वालिटी पाया जाता है. अगर इट्स को डालेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे we will have to put milk chocolate. अगर मिल्क चॉकलेट डालेंगे तो चॉकलेट को ईट किया जा सकता है. Then this sentence will be correct. Either we will have to replace eats with drinks or chocolate milk with milk chocolate. Then this both sentences will be right. Now we are I'm going to mention some words which are being used by us in daily every day. We use these words. This language is called colloquial language. Colloquial language means बोलचाल की भाषा होता है. You might have used this word. Water bottle, you might have seen this word, water bottle. Here water is also noun, bottle is also noun. So here the first water is describing the second bottle. That means the first noun is describing bottle. So a little bit water is acting as an adjective here. You might have been taught, you might have seen in a book that means water is always noun. Sometimes water performs in the form of verb, but here water is used in the form of adjective. In the same way, school bus. Bus is noun, school is noun also. But what kind of bus? Which kind of bus we are talking about? We are talking about the bus goes to school. वह बस जो विद्यालय जाता है. So here school is describing the second noun, that is bus. So school is a little bit. It has been used here in the form of adjective. We have classroom. Room is also noun and class is also noun. So both. We have combined this class plus room is equal to classroom. So with what kind of room? Not sleeping room and dining room. We have classroom where children are being taught by the teachers. Next we have grammar book. What kind of book we want to take? The book which is based on grammar. Whether the book is composed in Hindi grammar or English grammar or any other grammar maybe. But I want to take a grammar book. This grammar is also a noun, book is also a noun. So the first grammar is describing the second noun. The first noun is describing the second noun, that is book. We have next word, a toothbrush. Brush, you might have seen many types of brush are available in the market, but I want to take a toothbrush because I want to brush my teeth. So tooth is also noun, brush is also noun. So first tooth is describing the second noun, that is brush. Now last we have the last word, a tennis ball. You might have heard about the tennis is a kind of game. A kind of play in which we need a ball. इसको मैं ball कह सकता हूँ. If you go to a shopkeeper and you want to take a ball, he will definitely ask what kind of ball do you want to take. आपको किस प्रकार का ball चाहिए? That means so I want to take a tennis ball. Understand? A cricket ball, a tennis ball. So also here tennis is a noun, but it is describing the second noun, that is ball. So tennis is in the form of adjectives. So my dear Students, in this class, my dear students, viewers and my friends, in this class we have learned nouns can also be adjectives. Nouns भी adjective हो सकते हैं.